Meta Quest Pro VR leak claims it was left behind in a hotel room. Ooh, a nice hotel room leak. The hardware was left behind?
Yes.
Quest 2 headset is expected to be shown off next month, but this leak leaves us skeptical. It's from Gizmodo. Another set of leaks of the Meta Quest Pro hit over the weekend, showing off a wildly redesigned headset. Even leaked videos can't get me too excited about the metaverse. But what's with all these tech companies leaving prototypes around where others can find them? Yeah, what's that about, Will? We've seen a couple of pixels left in different places.
Yeah.
And just hanging out, early videos and such.
Yeah, too many of them.
Is this planted, would you say, this?
Definitely.
Oh, really? This Quest Pro
Conspiracy.
is planted. You're buying this, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
The device shown in the video has a sleek charcoal black design. That's obviously a departure from the Quest 2. Far cry from the Quest 2. Yeah, glossy white plastic. I don't know how glossy it is.
It wasn't glossy.
Yeah, I think I kind of got that wrong. It was matte finish white. But anyway, apparently the headset and controller seem much slimmer and lighter than the Quest 2. That's huge. If it's actually true that it's lighter. It's labeled both as Meta Quest Pro and as an engineering sample. That's the one in this particular leak. But yeah, thinner and lighter is huge when it comes to anything you're wearing on your body, on your face especially.
Yeah.
The weight, if you're reminded by it, if you're fatigued by it. Yesterday, Kirk was flying those drones around, the FPV drones.
Yeah.
And he's like, whoa, he started feeling a little bit off with the headset there.
Yeah, it's very dizzying.
Disorienting.
Yeah.
What do you want to do? You want to be sitting down while you do that or standing up?
Definitely sitting down. He ended up sitting down.
Was that your advice?
No.
Just did it on his own?
Yeah.
Because you're the FPV guy, aren't you?
I try to be, although...
Every time there's a drone shows up around here, it's like
exciting.
Christmas morning for you. You're
It's
just
fun,
setting
yeah.
things up. You're flying around. You're FPV guy.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of what FPV is. It's cool. It's cool tech.
Okay. Well, you got FPV, and then also you got your new Quest Pro. So you got a lot of ways to get wired up. A lot of things to put on your face.
This is exciting.
A lot of different goggles for you.
Yeah.
Coming down.
I'm all about it.
Down the pipeline there.